Hello dear students and welcome to EduTap. So guys, I wish your preparations are on track and I hope that all of you are giving your best for this exam. So guys, exam is just around the corner. You very well know NABARD grade A phase 1 is next month and we are expecting NABARD grade A phase 2 to be conducted very soon after that. So guys, this is what all of us had been waiting for, and I'm very happy to share with you today that we have finally made success in providing you the interface of the exam. Now guys, many students face this issue of attempting their questions in the paper, and we have found the right solution for your dilemma. So guys, let me introduce to you the third batch, the evaluation batch that we have been running for this year, and this is the third batch for NABARD grade A phase 1 2021 and for descriptive English section, which holds 50% of the weightage in your phase 2. Now guys, we have already finished 2 batches and this is the third batch that we are finally launching for this year, and I think this is going to be the last one. Right, so make sure that you do not forget to subscribe and join this batch, because this would give you the right preparation strategy, the right practice material to prepare and to perform really high in your actual exam. So let us begin with the course offerings of this particular batch, guys. Now these are the 4 very important verticals. These are 4 important offerings that we are providing you in this course. Now guys, this batch is not a part of your combo courses, any of the combo courses that you may have purchased already. Now this is a separate batch which requires a lot of evaluation and which requires a lot of input. So guys, this is not part of your combo course. This is a separate batch altogether. So guys, let me show you the 4 very important verticals of the offerings. Now first and foremost, we will be providing you 2 full-length mock tests. But this time, I'm really happy to announce that we are providing you these tests on the exact simulation of your paper. So guys, you have to get well versed with the interface of your exam. So up till now, what we had been doing, we had been entertaining Word document copies and we had been evaluating your papers. But that would not actually give you the simulation of the exam. Now what we have done now, let me just show you something which is very interesting, guys. Now what we have done now, we have provided and we have conceptualized a exact simulation of your paper where, for example, in your actual paper, this is how it would look like. You would be given a question, there would be 3 questions. So let's say we are writing an essay on population. So in the actual paper, you would not have a Word document, you would have this dialog box. So guys, you must understand that typing in a dialog box and to practice it every day, this is very important. So what we are providing you, the exact simulation of your actual paper. You will be given this, if you can see this, you will be given this dialog box where you will have to scroll up to down or left to right. And this is the bane of of all the students. Students, they tell us every year that this is what we lacked. We did not practice typing in a dialog box, and that is why we were not able to finish our paper on time, because this takes some practice to getting used to it, right? So this is what we are providing you, exact simulation of your paper. You would be given 3 questions, then there would be timer, for 90 minutes. So you would be running your test, you would be taking your test on exact simulation based on your paper. And this is the first time that we have launched this in any of the batches. Before that, we did not use this simulation, but today and from this batch onwards, we will be using these simulations so that we can actually, give you the real, the feeling, or the experience of sitting in an exam. Within 90 minutes, you would have to type your answer in the exact simulation of your paper. And this is something new that we have introduced this year, guys, in this particular batch. So guys, this is what I was telling you. First is we will be providing you 2 full-length mock tests with simulation of the interface of the exam, along with thorough and detailed evaluation, along with your assessment and discussion over the call. So guys, this is very important because you may be practicing on your own. You may be writing essays, Precis and reading comprehension or letter or report on your own, but you would never know how much you would score in this particular test or in this particular attempt. So what I want you to understand is, now you have to get a third person perspective. Whatever you are writing, you must understand somebody should be there to tell you whether whatever you have written, is this logical, is this viable, is this feasible, or and how much would you score in this particular type of paper. So this third person perspective, this is what we are providing you on the exact simulation of the paper along with the assessment. So this is very important, guys. I'll be discussing with you your feedback, your reviews, and then I'll be sharing with you my personal feedback of your particular paper, what you wrote in your exam, how to improve it, how to get to the final the final articulation that you must undertake in the actual exam. So we are providing you 2 full-length mock tests along with evaluation and detailed analysis with feedback, one-to-one feedback over the call. Second, we are providing you guys list of probable essay topics, because you don't have to run from pillar to post finding out what topics could be important for this year. So we have compiled all those topics and we have provided you these probable essay topics. Third, we are providing you with fodder material. So guys, for all the essay topics that we are providing you, we are also providing you fodder material, so that you don't have to Google everything, or you don't have to purchase books, or you don't have to run here and there to find your data, facts, statistics. So what we have done, we have compiled all those facts, data, statistics in the fodder material, and we have compiled that for you so that you can prepare from that fodder material. And along with that, we have also provided you value-added lectures so that you can learn and understand how to actually draft an essay, how to make a Precis, how to frame your reading comprehension answers. Along with that, we have also provided you letter and report writing. So guys, everything from end to end has been covered in this course. Starting from your preparation strategy, your tentative essay topics, your preparation material, fodder material, then your videos to actually let you know what mistakes usually students make, what to do, what not to do, what is the structure to be followed in every question, whichsoever it is. And then you can learn with examples, with sample examples, so that you can prepare on your own. So guys, these are the 4 very important course offerings that we are providing you in this batch. Now, what is the schedule of this batch? So this is the interface that I was talking about. Now let's discuss the schedule of the batch. Now, test 1 would be conducted on 22nd of August. That is probably next week or so. And you have to submit your test by 24th of August. That is 2 days. So you'll have 2 days to take your test. In those 2 days, you can take and you can submit your test according to your convenience. But you will only have 90 minutes to write down your paper, not more than that. So you can take your test anytime within those 2 days, but you will only have 90 minutes to write down your paper. So first test would be on 22nd of August, and the structure would be same, 100 marks, 90 minutes, and you will get these 3 questions: essay, Precis, and reading comprehension. That is test 1. After that, your test will be evaluated. You will be given your feedbacks. I will be calling you and discussing your articulation, your draft with you, and I will share with you what you can do to improve your draft, and what mistakes that are not to be made in the future attempts. Then there will be another test, that is test number 2, that would be conducted on 5th of September 2021. That is next month. And after after this test, you will have 2 days to submit your attempts, your answers with us, and then we will evaluate it. And this time the structure would be a bit different. In test 1, we had 1 essay, 1 Precis, and 1 reading comprehension. Now this time there would be 1 essay, 1 Precis, but 1 letter or report. So guys, we are trying to simulate the exact scenario of your paper for you, so that you can understand that how important this paper is, how important this particular section is, and the weightage of this paper, 100 marks, that will really be the game changer of this particular paper. So you must understand and you must prepare for it very well, guys. Now, these were the test series structure and the offerings that I just told you. Now, there are a few more things that you need to understand. Now guys, this is not an open-end course because we have limited time to evaluate your copies. So this course is only limited to a limited number of students, and that is 200 students. So guys, we can entertain and we can only evaluate so many copies in some limited time. I hope you understand that, and it takes a lot of input to read each and every sentence and to tell you what you did wrong and where you need improvement, right? So there are only 200 seats for this, and these seats will be filled on the basis of first come first serve basis. So the sooner you join, the easier it will be for you to benefit yourself. Right now, the price of this course has been kept 2,500 rupees, but we are providing you discounts as well. So we are offering 15% discount for our new subscribers who are new for our course, and we will be offering 30% discount for our old subscribers, students which are already enrolled with us, and you will get the coupon code via email once you register with us, guys. Right now, guys, please, I've made it, I'll repeat it again. This is not a part of your existing course. Now, this is a new batch. This is a separate batch altogether where you need to enroll again, because whatever you learn from your combo courses, that is for your own preparation, but this is your test. Now you will be writing your answers and we will be evaluating those for you. Now guys, all our combo packages contain all the video lectures and everything, but they do not provide you evaluation. That is what has been mentioned here, and that is why we are telling you this is a separate batch altogether. Now guys, the dates are tentative, but we promise to stick by the dates as we as we promise. We will live up to the promise that we have made you, and we will try to fulfill your hopes, and we will try to fulfill your demands according to the provided dates. But within those dates, we are sure that we will be able to conduct and finish off this batch so that you can get benefited from this. Now guys, the copies shall be evaluated by me only. Nobody else will be evaluating your copies, and I will be the only one who will be calling you to discuss your feedback with you. Now, personalized and detailed feedback shall be given for each question. Now, over the mail or over phone. So we will be providing you feedback for your test over the mail as well. You will get a notification that your test has been evaluated. You can go through your answers. You can see what mistakes you made. Reviews will be given there, and then I'll call you and discuss with you how you did it, right? How you performed in this paper. So guys, this is a new concept that we have initiated today. And guys, the exact simulation of your paper, that is going to be very, very important for your preparation strategy, right? So I invite all of you to this batch. So thank you so much for your time, for joining in, and I wish all the very best for your endeavors in life, guys. And if you have any other doubts or any other queries, you can contact us on this number 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. So guys, thank you so much for joining in, and happy learning to all of you.